जीवन देश के लिए समर्पित है।
That's one. This is the other. And this one is yet another. They are all the same city. But this Delhi is not that Delhi. It is India's capital, a melting pot of cultures and indifferences alike. From a picture of absolute indifference to the most intense moments of political fellowship. What are we talking about?
It's a political game. Again, it's not a political agenda मैं बोलूँगा.
दिल्ली के लोगों को उनसे बहुत सारी उम्मीदें हैं.
मेरे हिसाब से तो उन्होंने थोड़ा सा जल्दी कर दी है. उनको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था.
Arvind Kejriwal, of course, but through the lens of this metropolis, built over the ruins of powerful cities from history and mythology. No one understands Delhi, not truly. And if someone either claims so, they are either lying or a politician. In India's capital of contradictions, Arvind Kejriwal has announced his resignation as the Chief Minister yet again. The surprise announcement came just after he was released from Tihar jail on bail. The Supreme Court clearly signalled that the alleged excise policy scam in Delhi needs more investigation. No one is truly off the hook, except the political drama. Why do we call Delhi a city of contradictions though?
ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत स्क्रिप्टेड एक गेम है.
Well, think about it. Which reformist political startup ever gets a chance in a national capital like Arvind Kejriwal's party got in their very first assembly election? Which state or union territory would ever give the same chance twice in a row with an even bigger margin to that same untested commodity?
मैं पहले से ही बता रहा था, राजनीति में नहीं जाना.
Even when Kejriwal's old guru seemingly abandoned him or vice versa, Delhi stuck by its choice. This is the same Delhi that sent Sheila Dikshit packing right after the Nirbhaya rape horror. In fact, this is the same Delhi that has sent all 7 MPs from BJP to the Lok Sabha since 2014. In that same period, the AAP has come to power in the assembly with a minimum of 62 out of the 70 MLAs. It is unmatched.
मुझे लगता है अरविंद केजरीवाल के पास काफी दबाव भी रहता है.
इसके पीछे सिर्फ पॉलिटिकल स्टंट है सर.
उनके पीछे की कहानी उन्हें विश्वास है कि दिल्ली की जनता उनके साथ ही है.
It is clear that Aam Aadmi Party wants a repeat of 2014. But 10 years later, a lot has changed. The Aam Aadmi Party has changed. The Congress is weakened. The BJP is confident on the back of its Lok Sabha sweep. Kejriwal's most trusted lieutenant has been in and out of Tihar on bail. Another of his Rajya Sabha MPs is currently out on bail. His former health minister is still in jail in a separate case. The AAP has its work cut out. At the same time, they seem to have tried to take their opponents off guard.
दिल्ली में चुनाव आज के दिन करवाने के लिए असेंबली डिसॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है. जब किसी भी विधानसभा का 6 महीने से कम का टेन्योर रहता है, तो केंद्र सरकार और चुनाव आयोग कभी भी चुनाव करवा सकती है.
Who will early elections in Delhi really benefit? Well, the Congress and AAP seem in disarray as usual, so it likely won't be an NDA versus India bloc fight. The BJP will look to exploit the charges against Arvind Kejriwal, while the AAP's strategy seemingly still leans on their claims of running an efficient government for the common people. Ironically, For Team Kejriwal, the biggest play could be the shared power structure in the National Capital Territory. The AAP has often cried foul over the inability to enforce law and order. And then, the alleged attack on the federal structure of India with the NCT amendment bills.
वो ये कह रही थी रेजिग्नेशन इसलिए दो क्योंकि सरकार नहीं चल सकती जेल से, मगर जेल से सरकार अरविंद केजरीवाल ने चला के दिखाई। अब वो बाहर आ गए थे तो वो फिर मांग रहे थे, अब दे दिया तो कह रहे नहीं साहब इन्होंने इसलिए नहीं दिया, इन्होंने इसलिए दिया। अरे तुम क्यों मांग रहे थे, फिर तुम मत मांगते, हमारी पॉलिसी ना आने देते। तुम चाहते हो हमारी पॉलिसी आ जाए इसलिए मांग रहे थे, ऐसा तो नहीं। हर तरीके से सरकार के काम किए जा सकते हैं।
With a political potboiler brewing, big questions remain for political pundits and public alike. Will the Dilwala public actually give Kejriwal another chance? Or has the Jan-Nayak run out of luck? Can BJP deliver a shocking blow to AAP's aspirations? Or will Congress steal the show with a stunning performance? Who's to say? It is Dilwalo ki Dilli after all.